fluttering wing of grace, a family finds its spring. The hymen, a whispered prayer, carried on the wind with care, through trials deep and shadows long, a melody of hope so strong. Mercy's